This is Black Powder Pyros. Did a really small pickup. Just picked up a few items. Picked up some of these rockets right here. They're supposed to be the jungle killers. As loud, if not louder, than the jungle rockets.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll do a demo of them, run them up against each other. This brand is really cool. Check it out.
We haven't seen that one before.
Yeah, we haven't seen that guy. So we got these guys. Really cool rockets. And then pick this up. These are basically the exact same thing as the 7-inch Master 120 canister shells. Here, let me pull some out. And how wide this box is. I mean, it's freaking... These things are freaking packed. We will do a demo. These versus the Master 100 shells, the 6-inch ones. Let's see. See what specs on here. Doesn't seem to have a lot of strobe.
Yeah, not as much as the Masters.
No, not as much, but the spread on these guys is probably going to be insane. So, had to get them. Had to try them out. They looked really good. So,
All right, you guys hit the comment, like, and subscribe button. Thank you very much.
all right, thank you guys.